subtitles of the Amara.org community.
Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I want to briefly show how to install the HiCAD 2024 Service Pack 1 and how to install the HiCAD 2024 Service Pack 1, the transparent toolbar. This transparent toolbar has been revised in Service Pack 1, so it works properly on 4K monitors. Basically, everything has remained the same, meaning I can turn off the switch everywhere with the right mouse button, start the respective functionalities. But what I can additionally do now, I can change the size of the toolbar with the right mouse button. I can adjust it at will. Thus, the size can be, the toolbar can be adjusted on the respective screens. The larger the icon is, the faster I can go over it. Fishing.
That is